You sit down to get some studying done, and suddenly, your phone becomes the most fascinating object in existence. Just one more video. Maybe I need a snack first. Do I really need this degree, or should I just ditch everything and become a llama farmer? Sound familiar? Here's a surprising fact. 90% of students are studying the wrong way. They spend hours staring at their notes without actually learning a thing. But what if I told you there's a method to study quicker, retain more, and still have time to binge your favorite series? Whether you're a student scrambling before exams, a professional picking up a new skill, or just someone looking to absorb knowledge more effectively, these hacks are made for you. Let's break down the ultimate brain hacks to study at lightning speed without frying your brain. The expectation hack. Trick your brain into learning faster. Your brain, it's lazy. It'll take all the time you give it. Ever noticed how a simple 10-minute task magically stretches into 2 hours when you're procrastinating? That's Parkinson's law in action. Work expands to fit the time you allow. The fix? Set ridiculously short study sprints. Instead of saying, I have to study for 3 hours, say, I'll study for just 20 minutes. Boom. Your brain stops fighting back. Because 20 minutes, that sounds doable. Here's the trick. Once you begin, you'll often just keep going. Bonus hack. Write down exactly what you'll study in that short time. I'll study biology. I'll learn photosynthesis. I'll quiz myself. Your brain loves clarity. The 80-20 rule. Stop studying like a perfectionist. Not every topic holds the same weight. Some things matter way more than others. The 80-20 rule says 20% of what you study gives you 80% of your results. So stop wasting hours on trivial details. Ask yourself, what's actually going to be on the test? Check past exams, ask your teacher, look at summaries. What don't I understand yet? If you already know it, move on. Quick 80-20 strategy. Start with a past exam paper. Don't wait till the last minute. Identify the 20% of topics that keep popping up. Spend 80% of your time mastering those. Work smarter, not harder. The timer method activates speed mode for studying. Ever notice how deadlines suddenly make you laser focused? That's because urgency triggers deep focus, and you can hack your brain into that state anytime. Try this. The 30-minute study sprint. 1. Set a 30-minute timer. Study like there's a fire. 2. Take a 5-minute break. Move, stretch, scroll your phone, no guilt. 3. Repeat. Why this works. Short sessions prevent burnout. Your brain knows relief is coming, so it locks in better. You avoid fake studying, just staring at pages. Bonus hack, use the Forest app. You plant a virtual tree, and if you exit the app, your tree dies. Guilt is a powerful focus tool. The Feynman technique, study like a genius. Albert Einstein once said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Translation, if you want to master something fast, pretend you're teaching it. Here's how to use the Feynman technique. 1. Pick a concept. Say, how do black holes work? 2. Pretend you're explaining it to a 5-year-old. No jargon. Keep it super simple. 3. Find where you get stuck. Those are your weak points. Go back and relearn. 4. Simplify even more. The result? You don't just memorize, you understand. Bonus hack. Explain things out loud or write them down. It forces your brain to truly process the info. Active recall, the memory cheat code. Want to remember stuff twice as fast? Stop passively reading. Start testing yourself. Here's how to use active recall. Instead of rereading notes, close the book and try to recall the key ideas. Instead of copying notes, write them out from memory. Use flashcards, but don't just flip through them. Quiz yourself. This is scientifically proven to cement knowledge in your brain. Bonus hack. Try the blurting technique. Read a chapter, then immediately write down everything you remember without looking. Then check what you missed. Instant memory upgrade. Sleep and exercise equals free brain upgrades. Fun fact, your brain doesn't store information while you're awake. It stores what you studied during sleep. Meaning pulling all-nighters? Not so smart. Getting 7 to 8 hours, your brain will love you for it. Also, exercise boosts memory. Even a 10-minute walk can help your brain retain more. So if you're deep in revision mode, make sure to squeeze in some movement during breaks. Final takeaway, your study cheat sheet. Here's your 6-step formula to study smarter and faster. 1. Short study sprints, 20 to 30 minutes. 2. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what actually matters. 3. Use timers to lock in focus. 4. Teach it to someone else, Feynman technique. 5. Active recall, test, don't reread. 6. Sleep and exercise equals free brain power. Your challenge. Pick one of these hacks and try it out today. Drop a comment with the one that worked best for you. I read every single one. And if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your mind, hit that subscribe button. Let's make studying feel illegal together. Remember, knowledge isn't power, applied knowledge is. So go out there, study smart, and make your brain work for you. Until next time.